Ooh, we got lift kits and springs and shocks. This is the worst of it right there. Look at that baby. And my daughter wants to come in and start working on her truck. And her little boyfriend guy.
It's making loud noises.
Making noises, yeah, there you go. Now hold it up there and turn it. No, just hold it, there you go. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Now these, all you do is you turn it. See when it locks. Don't lose the screws. Let's get a little bucket or something that we can put all, or a baggie, so we can put all the hardware and everything in, because that truck's probably gonna be apart for a while. Let's get a box or something. No, this should just pop in and out of there. But you don't want it? No. What do you want, shave the truck or what? Shave it all off?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll leave the mirrors and door handles, and you don't want the drip rails though? No. Okay, let's see if I taught you well. Let's see.
It's not right way. Oh, it's cracking.
Oh no. There. Where's your screws?
Right in my hand.
Okay, put them in your box. Let me see you put them in your box. Make sure you're not losing them. No! I'm watching you. Okay, you got 2 things removed.
We're making great progress.
Now I'll go do the rear tail lights, get the mirrors off. Thumper's working on wiring, trying to get all the lights and figure out why the lights and stuff aren't working.
These have different,
Then guess who's gonna have to figure it out?
You.
You. Figure it out quickly. Look, Thumper just fits right in there, little guy.
Yeah.
I am
Thumper, little guy, fits right in there. Look at that.
I'm scared.
Oh, what are you?
What even are you?
They should all be 13 16ths to 3/4, aren't they? Right here, right here.
Yeah.
But look at it, it just comes out.
I know, because it's broken. They broke that one, so the only thing holding it is this one and this one. You're gonna have to order new ones of those too. Ching ching! All I hear is money. Ching ching! I hope you have a bunch of money saved up for this deal. Or should we just get it running and driving and worry about it being pretty later?
No.
You want it pretty first? Okay. She says she wants it pretty first. We'll see. All right, Jaden, so now that I have you here, so what's your plans with this beautiful rig you got here?
To paint it.
To what?
To paint it.
Paint it?
Yeah.
What color are you painting it? Pink?
Blue.
Pink, blue?
No, just blue.
Pink and blue?
You want it?
This guy.
I want that.
Don't lose them.
Yeah, that's why I'm giving him to her.
Look at that. Using a crescent wrench. Use the socket if you want. You don't have to use that.
Well, where's the other thing?
It's a 3/8. Watch, let me show you.
Not a quiet ear.
Just wondering why you were trying to use that crescent wrench earlier.
Why not?
Why not?
There we go. Let's
Getting
go.
it? You know what you should do? Leave it there. Put it back in.
Why?
Just watch. Trust me. Thread it in just a little bit by hand. Okay, you got it? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll get the bottom one first. It'll hang off that top one. Silly.
Sir, if it drops down, I think it ain't yet.
Well, do you have it screwed in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't gonna go nowhere.
I just haven't had a switch.
But see, if you would have take that one out and it comes loose, then it's gonna flop over all weird. See what I'm saying? Do you see?
Yeah.
Do you see? Do you see? Okay, now, there you go, both hands. You don't need both of them. You don't need both of them. There you go, hold it. Yep, Yahtzee. This truck's been like 17 different colors.
Jeez, look at all that dirt.
Well, you want to go mud racing it, so I'm sure it's gonna be just fine. I don't know why we're making it pretty if you want to mud race it. Should just rattle.
Right after
We should just rattle can it now and be done with it.
I don't know how to take this thing off.
Depends on how it's attached, but don't break it. I like those. I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Okay, tail lights.
She's coming out of it.
Is it coming out?
They painted the top of the tail light.
Oh no! Guess what you get to do?
No.
You get to clean it off of there.
Yeah.
You wanted it pretty, not me. I was ready to drive it just like this. Look at this beautiful truck. Put some tires on
But
it.
your truck gets having.
Put the lift kit on it. Put tires on it, and go mud race it. See?
We gotta get rid of this stupid bumper.
You don't like that bumper either? What? Why?
It looks stupid.
You want a blazer bumper like mine, huh?
I'd rather go with that one.
No. No.
Yeah.
Gotta have some sort of bumper. Some sort of something. Gotta have some sort of bumper, Jaden. Can't be messing around. You know, if I was really nice, I would have gave you the drill and you could have just.
Oh well. It's too late anyway.
We have all the attachments for the drill. We have all those sizes. Oh.
What the heck? I'm struggling.
You know what helps? Take your left hand. Take your left hand. Put it down in there. There you go.
Nope.
Steady it up. Now use your, let's see, put it up against something. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Don't you worry. Ooh, you're ballsy leaving that just hanging. Sometimes they pop right out of there. Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Jaden. What are we gonna do? Don't worry. Okay, take it off there. Be careful. Check gasket. These always break. Oh, it didn't break. Look at you. Somebody's replaced that. Okay, now put that inside the truck.
No.
I said do it now. Right now. You do it right now.
You mind your own.
So we could take these out too.
Why?
Well, we can mask that, but it's easier to paint in there if you take that out. I want it pretty.
Why don't we just leave it in there?
We can leave it for now. So go do the other side then. Sheesh. Listen, do you want this done nice or not?
No. There.
In order to paint it the right way, you have to take the whole truck apart. Glass out of it. Let's take the windows out of it. Everything.
Look at this. What did this person do?
It's wrecked, honey.
This is
Look
red.
at how straight. Look how. Listen.
I like how there's a big old chunk missing.
Yeah. Look at this. It's good stuff. Pink Bondo too, so that's Walmart stuff.
Holy crap.
Got the old pink bonder in there. Not all the time, but usually it's pink. It's the Walmart Bondo. Oh, look, you got different screws too. Yay!
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yay! That one's not even touching anything.
Yeah, exactly.
Why would you do it like that? Why would you build a truck like that?
I don't know. I was just in my own world.
You were in your own world when you built this truck?
Yeah.
Nice. This is your previous life?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, hold the light because it's gonna fall out of there. I can already tell. There you go. That'll go. There you go. About time. There you go. Spinny, spinny, the thingy, thingy. Quickly.
Yeah, that wasn't even in there. Sad. It doesn't even have one.
Okay, see now we gotta grind all this away and hook a chain to this thing and is that where that went? Oh yeah, look at that, piecing it right back together. So we'll hot glue that in there.
No, we won't.
Yeah, we're gonna hot glue it in there.
We're not hot gluing that in there.
And then we'll rattle can this thing and then you can go mud race it.
No.
Because we're ordering some 3312 50 15s, right? Yeah. 3312 50 15s. Or should we do 33 1050s? Mud terrains.
I don't know what the difference
She's getting mud terrains for this. She wants them mud terrains so she can run in stock class at the mud races. And look, this baby's already got headers on it. This thing's, it's practically a race car. Practically a race car. The old Quadjet on there. Those things are the best carburetors ever if you can get them to work.
Don't touch me.
Are you talking mean to him?
Yeah.
He's down there slaving for you. Look how dirty he is. Hey, you just yell at him. All right. So only thing else that you can take off is these. Do you really not want these?
They're
You don't want the
ugly.
drip rails?
They're ugly.
But when it's raining, you can't crack the window.
I don't care. They're ugly.
You want these off?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there's a 7mm over there on the wall where the wrenches are. They're a pain in the butt, but you got to get back there and do them by hand. I would leave them if I was you, but gauges and stuff in this truck are really nice. All the gauges and everything work. None of the headlights, tail lights, blinkers work, but but we found out as we pulled it in here, the reverse lights work. So that's good. At least we know there's power there somehow. Anywho, there should be wire on top of that.
It's still too big.
Is it really?
Yes.
Has to be a 7mm. They all are.
It's too big.
It's turning.
It's too big.
Well, it looks like they're staying on.
Oh,
7mm.
it's so tiny.
I've taken. You know how many of these I've taken off with this thing? They're always a 7. That's not how you do that.
I thought we could fit back there.
No. No. Good job, Jaden. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job, Jaden. Okay.
Oh, you're joking.
Oh, no, look. It's ugly.
Sideways? Yep. And you only want get out.
Jaden's already getting into my spare parts.
Oh, is it?
Already into
Found them up.
all my spare parts. Look. Let that dissolve a little bit.
You want me to wash your car?
Scrub.
You said let it dissolve.
Yeah, but you have to scrub. Scrub, babe. You have to scrub.
Getting that new hood all cleaned up. Oh, look, all the boy poop is coming off. It's coming off, for real.
Jaden, you're so lucky to have a dad just has parts for your truck everywhere.
Shit, you is.
Yeah, that's probably good enough for now. We gotta sand it anyway.
Ready? Get all the bird shit off the road.
Sorry. Got bird poo-poo all over it. Bird
She got
poo-poo.
the poo on her.
Got the poo on it.
Where's the broom? You got it?
She put it away.
Oh, there she is. Okay.
She gave up on it. Oh, look at that blue car. Darn it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful blue car. Rusty. This hood's way nicer. You know what ticks me off is this hood is nicer than the hood that I had on Fall Guy. Dang it.
Oh, really?
Jaden, you're getting all my good stuff. It's not fair. It's not fair you're getting all my good stuff.
Yeah, I know.
That ain't right, huh, Jorge?
Something don't smell right.
There's something don't smell right about this deal. Jaden, over there, grab a bolt. Just like me. Yep.
This one first. Well, you gotta lift it up at the same time. Straight down, so went down. Oh, you got her?
That boy, Thump. That boy.
Wow. Boy, he's a jolly good thumper. He's a jolly good thumper.
He's a jolly good thumper.
Nobody can deny.
Everybody can deny. Okay, guys.
Looks
I
out.
know.
Actually, it looks pretty good. That looks nice.
Yeah.
Dang, Jaden.
except for the way the wind blew it over, but.
It's got one in there, yeah, we'll get it. We'll fix it, we'll fix it. That hood's nice. Okay, now we gotta open it real slow and tighten it up. But it's bent anyway, so we gotta fix all that anyway. There you go, you're good at this. You're getting good at this.
Oh, sorry.
Did you just kick me, son of a gun? Gotta finish the job, so you gotta pull it out to where it's past that, and then you gotta slide it out of here. There's a little trap. This is in it. This is like a trap, and it's gotta slide out. Hey, Thumper, will you get down there and help him?
She's stuck. She's stuck.
Why is this part square and this part's round?
Because it's a square body. I didn't engineer it, baby.
Yes, you did.
I just love them. You're almost there here. Oh, there you go. See, you're gonna bend those every time. That's just how it goes.
Ready?
Now slide it out. Yep. Good job. Let me see it. Let me see it. Yep. See how this one's bent? We'll have to get a new one eventually anyways, because I'm gonna fix how straight all this is. 20 grand, take every little thing
Well, we're
apart.
not using Rust-Oleum.
We're not. Well, we are on that. We are on the black. Not on the
Not
blue.
on the rest.
Not on the blue. Yeah, yeah. I get what you're saying. Trust me. She's all nervous. It's gonna be really nice. Trust me. It's gonna be nice enough to go mud bogging, which is all you want to do. Hurry up.
We've been at this all day.
So like you guys been at this for 2 days.